Hello, welcome to my channel. I went shopping at Aldi today and I saw this right here. It's not a Peking duck, but a Pekin duck from Kirkwood. And it's a frozen duck. So this is about what, 4.65, 4.64 pound at $3.29 a pound. So it's come to around $15.27. $15.27. And it said right here it's a Pekin duck, not Peking duck. And they already included inside this plastic right here orange sauce. So let's see what the direction says. So the direction says to preheat the oven. A frozen thawed duck in the refrigerator 1 to 2 days prior to cooking. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Remove duck from the bag and remove necks, giblets, or have necks and giblets and orange sauce packet from body cavity. Pat duck dry and season if desired. Place duck on a rack. Press side up into a roasting pan or place duck on a vertical roasted pan and sprinkle with seasoning of choice. Okay, roast duck and cover for 30 minutes per pound of duck. It's cooked until internal temperature reach a minimum 180 degrees. Measure at the thigh joint and a minimum 170 degrees in the thickest part of the breast. Its legs should be moved freely and run, and juices run clear when duck is done. Okay, if desired, pour the orange sauce or sauce your own prepared sauce over the duck and then roast it for 5 more additional minutes. So let's try this out. Picking duck now is pretty expensive at the Asian store. Usually one duck now is cost about like $35. I think it used to be like $15. So I'm gonna try this out, see how it tastes like compared to the Peking duck. This is Pekin duck, not Peking duck. So try this out. 4.6 pound. So this is cost about $15.27. It's just a small duck, basically. Okay. Give it a try, see if I like it. There's the orange sauce right here. They give you a packet of orange sauce. I don't know what it is. And it's supposed to have a neck and giblet in there. What's inside here? Oh, it still has some, still frozen inside here. Okay, pat the duck dry. I'm gonna put the duck here. Yeah, I'm gonna season the duck with the chicken powder, chicken bouillon. This is supposed to give it a little flavor. So I'm seasoning a little bit with the I don't know, it might not taste the same like the Peking duck. Okay, the breast is up. And now that's it. Preheat the oven to 350. That's what I'm doing now. I already got something in there. I got some baby ribs in there and then some potato chips. Now I'm gonna put the ducks in. So now the ducks is in the oven and just and then we're gonna take the temperature. The internal temperature is supposed to reach 180 degrees when the ducks is cooked. So I don't know how long it's gonna take. So okay, close the oven and come back in a few hours. All right, I took the internal temperature as 180 now. So yeah, I did took the internal temperature already. Yeah, around 180. So now the final thing is to put that orange sauce in right here. Gonna baste that orange sauce everywhere. We see how it tastes now. And I'm gonna put back into the oven for 5 more minutes. Oh. Put it back in the oven. Right there. I got my ribs ready. Put back in the oven for 5 minutes. I got my... Oh, I think it's done. Oh my god. It's a little burn. It's done. It's gonna be yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Does it taste like Peking duck? Let me see. It was pretty moist. Mmm. Not bad at all. Pretty moist. Wow. Pretty good duck. But I think the Peking duck from the store tastes better. But this is pretty close. So half the price. So you have a chance to buy from Aldi. It's only 3.29 cents or 3.27 cents per pound. A whole duck like this, if you buy from the Asian stores, costs about like $35 now. So, well, it's pretty good, but not as good as a Peking duck from the store. Let's see. Pretty moist. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.